Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Thursday, the 4th of June. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. It's going to be a hot day. You need to water out there and check those trees. If you're concerned about them, contact Hartney Graymont. They've been sponsoring our podcast here. Hartney Graymont with offices in Concord, Danvers, Needham, and down on Cape Cod. Check out their local office for the office near you. All right, let's get to the forecast. Today we're up near 90, lots of sunshine. Tonight we're down into the 60s. It's a little muggy. Tomorrow we're back into the low 90s with sunshine. Saturday we're in the lower, maybe middle 90s. Partly sunny skies. Could be a shower thunderstorm well north and west of the city. Then as we head for Sunday, a front comes through. It cools us off. We're near 70, a couple of showers, and then it's dry again. We'll be in the 60s on Monday, but then warming up and in the 80s later on next week with not a lot of rain. So in terms of watering, your plants need about an inch of water every single week this time of the year. If you're trying to start seeds, I recommend covering them with some shade cloth or getting some shade on them in the afternoon to keep that soil evenly moist. It's very hard to get seeds to germinate this time of the year with the full sun because the topsoil just dries out within an hour or so. So it's very, very difficult to do so, but you can give it a try. Have a great day and stay cool.